basta kayo ang bida.
Way to go, Senyales. Fast to begin racing on the outside, rushing up Wondrous Win. Aloha. It's Aloha's Wondrous Win, Senyales, Dance Corig, General Dugo. Sharp Cookie is racing in 6th position. It's now Dance Corig, Aloha. Senyales, Wondrous Win, General Dugo is running by Drell and racing in 6. Sharp Cookie, Top Guy racing on the further outside to Chanel Koto, Fairwind, Feature Champ. Entry number 1, Panamera, while Cecilio is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Dan Scottick. By Alencanab, General Dugo. Senyales on the outside. Aloha to Chanel Kuto is racing on the outside as they race the final corner. It's now General Dugo, Dan Scottick, Chanel Kuto on the further outside, and Senyales with the last 150 meters more to run. General Dugo, Chanel Koto is on the outside. It's now Chanel Koto on the outside. General Dugo, Senyales in between runners. And finally, Senyales, Chanel Koto, General Dugo, Panamera, Dance Corig for your Pentafecta.